These are so good, guilt-free, so delicious and easy to make. Let's get started. We're starting with 1.5 cups of oat flour. If you don't have oat flours, throw some oats in a blender and blend them until they're nice and smooth. Now that we have our oat flour nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and throw that in a bowl. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of almond flour and 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Also, a little option if you want an extra protein, add some protein powder in these, it would be great. And throw that in the microwave for just about 30 seconds. While we're waiting for our coconut oil to melt, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and just a pinch of salt. Now add in your melted coconut oil. And you want to give this a really good mix until it all comes together, kind of like when you're making biscuits. You want it to stick together like that. This has no business being this good. Grab a loaf pan and you're going to go ahead and pour your cookie mixture into the loaf pan, and you're going to pat it down until it's a nice even layer. And then I baked mine in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. And now we need another 3 tablespoons of coconut oil for the peanut butter mixture. Stick it in your microwave again about 30 seconds. Once it's melted, go ahead and throw that into a mixing bowl. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of 0 sugar, 0 salt peanut butter into our mixing bowl. Now 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now you can use monk fruit here if you don't want any added sugar. And then just a little splash of vanilla. Give that a good mix until it's nice and smooth. Our cookie layer is now done and cooled. We're going to go ahead and add our peanut butter mixture on top. And then you're going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour till it's ready. Now we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate chips and a tablespoon of coconut oil. I like Lily's, but it's super expensive, so whatever brand you want. Put it in the microwave 30 seconds, give it a nice stir. Not ready, put it back. Now it's ready. You're going to pour this on top of your peanut butter mixture, and then you're going to make sure it's nice and even. Chill it until it's nice and solid, like this. And then just get a plate or cutting board, flip it out, and now we're going to cut it. And you can either cut these into bars or smaller bite-sized pieces. I like the smaller pieces myself. It's up to you. That is so good. These are so damn good. They're so good. You have to make these. No guilt. Healthy Twix bar, peanut butter Twix bar. Oh, these are so good. You have to make these. These are a great sweet treat whenever you have a sweet tooth without feeling so guilty. Make them. Let me know what you think. Until next time, bye.